Hey everyone, this is Kelly. I wanted to give you just a real brief rundown of how to use VoiceThreads because we are going to be doing two voice threads in our class, and this is something that is actually brand new to me. I've never had them in any of my LAS courses or any of the courses that I've taught here. And I've been here since 2014, so it's brand new to me. And I just want to make sure before we start week one that you guys know how to use VoiceThreads in our class. We're going to be creating two of them. The first one is week one, your introductions, and the second one is going to be during week 7, which is your video presentation project, your video project presentations. So let's look at how we get to VoiceThreads and then where you go once you're in there. During our course, it is going to be in the week 1 folder. So you'll just open week 1 folder and you'll see a little circle that says VT and then week 1 introduction. So you'll click on that. And then it's asking you, do you want to view it, view and comment, or view, comment, and edit? So make sure you click the third button, view, comment, and edit. That way, if you want to edit your own video later on or edit a comment that you make on someone else's video, you have that opportunity. And then just request access, and it's going to take you to the main page of VoiceThread. From there, you're going to click on the textbook icon, which is directly over the home page. You're going to click on our course, Global Studies, and you'll see your project presentations here, and then you'll see introductions. So you'll just click on introductions, and it's going to give you the directions on what to say in your introduction. Of course, you can always add whatever else you want to add to your introductions, and you don't have to answer every single question in your introductions. You will also see here anyone who has already uploaded a video. So I have already posted my introductions. So that way you guys can see my introductions. And if you want, you can make comments on that as well. So you would just click mine and it automatically plays. And then to create your own new voice thread, you'll just click on this little plus button. Now for our class, you are required in VoiceThreads to either do an audio, which is the microphone, or a video. If you don't want to use VoiceThread specifically, you can always just upload a video or audio system that you have on your own. So maybe you're just on the go and you used your mobile phone, you recorded your video introduction or your video or an audio introduction. Just save it, email it to yourself, and then upload the file here. So hopefully that helps you understand. And again, you get access VoiceThreads through our week 1 content. And just by clicking the VT button, and then it will take you to the voice. Click the third one to request access, and then click on the little textbook underneath the home page. Click on our class and go right into introductions. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will get right back to you. All right, thanks guys. I can't wait to meet you in our introductions and look forward to the next 8 weeks together.